Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Donald, and if you're new here, I talk straight about AI, how to actually use it, and how real people are making money with it in 2026. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 proven ways to earn money online right now. All of them work extremely well when you combine them with AI. These aren't theories. These are methods that thousands of people are already using successfully on Upwork, YouTube, Etsy, and other platforms. No fluff. No make $10,000 overnight nonsense, just real tested paths. If you're into AI like me, you're in the perfect position because AI is making all 5 of these methods faster and more profitable. Alright, no more waiting, let's dive right in. Number 1, and the fastest way most people start earning, freelancing. You can offer AI-powered services like AI content writing, prompt engineering, and ChatGPT automation. Or AI video editing, AI image generation, or building simple AI tools. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are flooded with clients looking for this stuff. Real numbers, skilled freelancers are making $50,000 to over $275,000 a year. Even beginners who learn fast can hit $1,000 to $3,000 per month within 6 to 12 months by delivering great work and collecting 5-star reviews. Pro tip from me, use AI to work faster and deliver better quality. That's your unfair advantage. Start by creating a strong profile. Offer one service you're good at and focus on getting your first clients. Once the reviews come in, you can raise your rates. Second way, content creation. If you enjoy teaching or sharing, start a channel about AI tools, AI news, tutorials, or how I use AI to videos. YouTube still pays the best. Many creators in the AI niche are earning seriously good money from ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. The median for full-time creators is around 6 figures, and AI content is one of the hottest niches right now. You just need to post consistently, use AI to help you script and edit faster, and give real value. My advice, pick one platform first, post every week, and focus on solving problems people actually have with AI. If you keep showing up, the views and money will follow. Third, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend AI tools, courses, or software you actually use, and earn commission when people buy through your link. Programs like Jasper, Midjourney, ChatGPT Plus, or other AI SaaS have great affiliate payouts. Many affiliates are making $8,000 to $10,000 per month once they build an audience. The key is trust. Make honest reviews and tutorials. Use your own AI content to promote these tools naturally. It becomes more passive over time, as your videos and posts keep earning commissions. Fourth, selling digital products or print on demand. Create once and sell forever. With AI, this is easier than ever. Make AI-generated prompt packs, Notion templates for AI users, ChatGPT prompt books, ebooks about AI, or even AI-designed t-shirts and merch using print on demand. Sellers on Etsy are averaging thousands per month when they do it right. Digital products have almost zero cost after creation, so the profit margin is huge. My tip, focus on useful AI tools people actually need, like prompt libraries or workflow templates. List them on Etsy or Gumroad. Optimize the titles and let sales come in while you sleep. Fifth and final, online tutoring, teaching AI. If you know AI well, teach others. Platforms like Preply or even your own Zoom classes let you charge $20-50 per hour teaching prompt engineering, how to use specific AI tools, or AI for business. Many tutors are making $1,000 to $4,000 plus per month with flexible hours. Demand for AI skills is exploding in 2026, so students are actively looking for teachers who can explain things clearly. You can start simple, create a profile, offer one-on-one sessions, and use AI to prepare your lessons faster. Here are the 5 ways to make money with AI in 2026. Freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, and online teaching. They aren't easy, but they work if you're consistent. AI gives you a massive advantage. If you don't know where to begin, I made a free AI starter guide for you. Inside, the 10 best tools, ready-to-use prompts, and a step-by-step plan. It's 100% free. Comment AI guide below, and I'll send it to you. Which way are you most excited for? Drop it in the comments. Smash like and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. I'm Donald. Stay consistent, keep learning, and I'll see you next time. Peace!